Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are first year engineering student preparing for BPLCK205B Introduction to Python Programming, this is a video is for you. In this video I will share the important models wise questions and practical problems and accepted important questions to help you preparing efficiently. So watch this video till end. Don't forget save these questions for bank and take screenshot and go to the this is a practical problems and prepare this much in your some exams and go to the model 1. Let's beginning with model 1. Study this important questions. mm, Silent features pythons and then print input length python functions, this is important, and string string concatenations and string replications, string and int and flow functions, comparison boolean operations, then flow control statement and exceptional handling, local and global variables. These all are important questions. Flow. Then go to the let's move to the model 2. Model 2 is important questions, list methods and append, insert, index, remove and remove. These are important list and difference between list and tuple. These questions are very important. Do and prefer these questions also. You are go to the interview in software company. These questions tuples and list what where you can use in code. This questions is also asking into this questions is important. Stay carefully study and string methods, then list traversals, directories, dictionaries. Dictionaries methods is very important. You write in programming. This is a very important. You perfect in dictionaries methods. You will improve your skills in this concept, and you write own code like you machine learning. Your learn machine learning, this is helpful for you. And last one, difference between list and dictionaries. Then let's go to the model 3. Important question for model 3: Python string methods and string handling methods. Examples: explain password locker project and built to key markup project. Then OS and OS path models. This also important. You explain in exams. You explain any 5 or any 4. How you explain, just write explanation. You also in first model string int float and print input length functions, you can write the definitions and some examples. Write examples like code. Means print equal to hello world. You print equal to string and something, you return your name or hello world. You below the you what you get output hello world. This is the examples for print function. So you write any definitions, you write any explanation like return on to 3-line explanation and write examples in code. This is a impressible for evaluators and given marks, easily given marks, you get scores. And then go to the key properties files, explain details regarding write process with examples Python program. Key properties ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Now let's move to the model 4. Model 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಫೈಲ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ದೆನ್ ಜಿಪ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್. ನೀವು ಜಿಪ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕೋಡನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಲ್ಯಾಬಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕೋಡ್ ಅದ ಜಿಪ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಅಂತ, ಆ ಕೋಡ್ ಬರೆದ್ರು ಓಕೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೋಡ್ ಬರೆದು ಕೋಡ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಂಗ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕೋಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಇಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ. ಅವ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನಿಜ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ದೆನ್ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ವರ್ಸಸ್ ಸೇಫ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೊಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟು. ದೆನ್ which question listen explain in details assertion and logging and button and debugging, raising exceptions, the code synopsis should write necessary. This write you examples, explanation and some code examples. You return this much is enough in those questions. And rising then 6 questions. Used assertion in traffic light simulations with Python code synaptic. This is not task, but you write see once. This is how to assertion work in you. What you explain in assertions here, you like explain here, but in explain deeply and write some codes. Explain support logging and model Python. This also same. This is a you write in simple definition, but here you explain so deeply. And let's move to the model 5. They study these questions, classes and objectives, then classes diagrams and examples. You also written, then modifiers and viewer functions, then prototype and pitches. Then here is explanation polymorphism and inheritance, overload and with examples. These are write some definitions and write some code examples. Then model question 6. Int and string methods with an example for Python programming. You explain int. Int means integer type. It is a integer type, and you write some code. Print int equal to bracket complete ಮಾಡಿ int ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೋ suppose write 13 or 14. Suppose you enter any number inside parenthesis. This is like run, output will be like print. Suppose string method, you can write input in double slash means string method ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು example python print ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಶ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಹಲೋ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಅದೇ ಹಲೋ ವರ್ಡ್ ಏನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಂಥೆಸಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳು. ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮೆಥಡ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು 2 ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ದೆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ and frequently asked questions in your exams. Prepare this much questions. All models ದಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಫ್ಲೋ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟು, ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಷನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲಿಂಗು, ಲೋಕಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸು, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವಾಲಸಸ್ಸು. This question I already told you. Prepare and learn carefully, not ಯು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅದೇನೋ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಇಪ್ಪಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ನ. ಇದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಷ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಡಿಕ್ಷನರೀಸ್ ಮೆಥಡು, ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡು, ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಲಾಕರ್ ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಟು, ಫೈಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲಿಂಗು, ಸೆಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಲ್, ಜಿಪ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್. ನೀವು ಜಿಪ್ ಫೈಲು ಮತ್ತು ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಲಾಕೌಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೀವು ಲ್ಯಾಬಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನೀವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ತೀರ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ನ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋದು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನಾದರೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು. ದೆನ್ assertion and logging, classes and objectives, polymorphism and inheritance, and overloading and int string. This is also most important questions asked in every time. Prepare this much questions, and this much is enough for your exams. That all for today's videos. If this introduction to Python programming question helped you, then like this videos and comment your branch and semester. Share this with your classmate and subscribe to our channel for more video previous year papers. I have already uploaded previous year paper in our Instagram page, and go to take and share your friends. Important questions, notes, and exam preparations videos. This is thank you for watching these videos. I hope this is understand very models important questions you have understand, and please subscribe and like our button, like and share your friends. Share your friends. Thank you for watching. All the best for your exams. See you on next video.